Hello and a very warm welcome to our first SfYC Care training video, Model 2 Learning Unit 1 Video 1, a systemic approach. Hello, my name is Stefan Henke. Here we got the first training video of the underlying approach of the SfYC Care method. And our first video is about the systemic approach. It's not about right or wrong in my evaluation. It's about me understanding the logic of my client's behavior. The whole and grade is more than the sum of its parts.
Hi Stefan.
Hi Angela.
That sounds very interesting, but what can we expect in that learning video?
This first learning video is an introduction into the systemic approach. It is about some terms and aspects of systemic theory. And later we will have a closer look what that especially means for our daily work as a SfYC Care practitioner.
Okay. Can you explain what the system theory has to do with SfYC Care?
Yes, we want to build the base for understanding the systemic approach and also for the following aspects of the further learning videos of the underlying approach.
Okay.
Yes, and also system theory is an interdisciplinary approach, and it's a central approach in social work, in counseling and therapy, and everywhere we want to support people to mastering their daily lives, accessing their resources, and also achieving their goals.
Okay. Oh, good. Thanks.
As you have seen in the film, in the following we are talking about approaches, concepts, and theories in detail about cybernetics, autopoietic systems, and constructivism. Cybernetics means the art of control. If you understand complex systems, processes become predictable and controllable. This only works to a limited extent with people and social systems. In contrast to trivial systems like machines, it is difficult or impossible to predict what triggers a certain stimulus in a person or a social system. People and social systems are in constant change, have a momentum of their own, elusive of the exact analysis and influence from outside. Processes are difficult to predict. Autopoiesis means self-preservation. Autopoietic systems can only change within certain limits, have the purpose of maintaining their own structure, are operationally closed. But there is an exchange between system and environment. Why this is important for us as SfYC Care practitioners? People and social systems only absorb information from the environment that is relevant to them. Information from the outside world must be linked to the conceptions, ideas, and resources. Constructivism. There is no objective reality, but only subjective constructions. Perceptions and communication are also construction processes. Instead of right or wrong in my work or my evaluation, I ask myself, are things as I see them and the way I approach them helpful to me? SfYC Care. People visualize their own themes with material such as the intervention Islands of Emotions. Often this already leads to first enlightenments and changes. People order, structure, set priorities. They better understand the whole as well as the details and previously unclear connections. During the further counseling process, there are often changes in the picture, so that new arrangements can be tried out directly. To summarize, Systemic View 1. People and systems have an autonomous self-organization logic and bring resources to find solutions. Systemic View 2. External influence has limits. Reorganization is not predictable. Only relevant information from outside is included. They must dock to the ideas, concepts and resources of individuals or systems. The SfYC Care approach wants to help human beings to master their everyday life, to be able to fall back on their resources and to achieve their goals, to try out and develop new perspectives, and to see if their own construction of reality is helpful. So we as Symphos for Use Care practitioners try to be and stay open, appreciative, person-centered, and resource and solution-oriented. Thank you for watching and see you next time.